Hello, in this tutorial we are going to give relationship to these activities. This is the project that we have created earlier, okay, in which we have main WBS as substructure, superstructure, and then under substructure we have earthwork, concrete work, and under superstructure we have concrete work and masonry work, okay. Now we have created all of the activities, we have given duration to these activities. Now the next step will be we need to just give a relationship to each activity, okay. So here you can see we have excavation in foundation, and if you are familiar with construction process, you know that after excavation in foundation we can start what PCC in foundation, okay. So it's mean that PCC predecessor activity is excavation in foundation, okay. So simply what I'll do, I can just double click over here, I can go here in predecessor, I can give predecessor from here. So this is the one way, as I have already explained the process. So I'll just go here and I'll select this one, and we'll just give the relationship as finish to start. After completion of this activity, we can start this activity. I'll press OK from here, and you can see the relationship over here. And the next process is we can go here in the view, then we can check this one detail, and then right click over here, and we can go with predecessor and successor, okay. So I'll select this one. Now after completion of PCC in foundation, we can start what RCC. It's mean that RCC predecessor activity is what PCC. So I'll select this one, okay, and RCC predecessor is PCC, but after completion of this, okay, it's mean that we can give here finish to start as a relationship and press OK from here. Now after completion of RCC in foundation, the next activity could be the column next, okay. So I'll select this one, and then the predecessor is what RCC in foundation, and this is finished to start, okay. So this is done from here. Now after completion of column next, we need to wait for some 6 to 7 days for curing purpose, and then we'll just go for the backfilling option, okay, for backfilling. So in this regard, what we will do, we'll select this one. Backfilling predecessor is definitely column next, but with the lag of some 7 days, okay. So this is how we can add the lag as well, okay. So I'll just give here a lag of some 7 days, and I'll press OK from here. Now you will notice a change over here, okay. So this is what the lag is all about, okay. You can see here we have some 7 days over here. Then this is the backfilling, okay. Now after backfilling, we know that the next step will be what, the grade beams, okay, definitely. And we'll select this one, we'll go here, and we have, and the next one after backfilling we have grade beam. So we'll select the grade beam, okay, and then we'll just go here the backfilling, and we'll press OK from here, okay. After completion of backfilling, we'll start grade beam, and after grade beam we'll start a column in superstructure, okay. So column in superstructure, and this predecessor activity is grade beam, because after completion of grade beam we can start this activity, okay. So hope you really understand the process. Okay, this is done from here, and we have column in superstructure. Then after column in superstructure, okay, we need to just go with the top beam, okay. So I'll select this one, and we'll just go with column in superstructure as a predecessor activity. Finish to start is relationship, and press OK from here. Then after top beam we'll go with RCC slab, okay, and let me just go here, and this is after top beam we'll go with RCC slab, and finish to start is the relationship. Press OK from here. And the last one is a brickwork in superstructure, okay. After completion of RCC slab, okay, we need to just wait until the removal of formwork and the curing purpose, okay. So we need to just give that lag as well in the brickwork in superstructure. So I'll select this one. This is the predecessor activity, RC slab for brickwork in superstructure, but finish to start is a relationship, and we have some 15 days, let's suppose. It could be any 10 days as well. Let me just give here 10 days, okay, and I'll press OK from here. And we have just give all of the relationship over here. You can see over here up till this position, and now you can see the total duration of this project as 65 days, okay. and let me just go here. Okay, and right click over here, and we'll just go with Gantt with timeline. We can go here, select this one as well. Okay, timeline instead of detailed. So I'll select this one in the view. Let me just go here in the view and then timeline. And in timeline, you can see the start of this project and end of this project. Okay, so this is how this timeline work. Okay, and this is how we can give the relationship to the activities. Okay, and hope you really understand the relationship right now. And let's suppose if you want to add any kind of milestone, you can do that as well. Let's suppose we have milestone as substructure start. It's mean that excavation in foundation to start. Okay, so this is how we can start the substructure. So we can simply go here, select this one, we can go with the milestone option. Okay, and we can add the milestone simply from here. Okay, it is very easy, and this is basically the zero duration. So substructure and then start. Okay, start and press OK from here, and we'll just give a relationship as start to start. Okay, so double click over here, go into the predecessor, give a relationship this and press OK from here, and you will notice a change over here. This is the substructure start, this is the date. Okay, and if you want to just go with substructure finish, you can just add a finishing milestone over here. Okay, so in this regard, I'll simply go here, insert task like this. Okay, and a substructure finish, and this is basically the zero duration. Okay, and a substructure will be finished on finishing of column next. Okay, you can see over here we have a column next as the last activity, not the column next but the backfilling. Okay, after completion of backfilling we can start green beans. Okay, so in this regard what we need to do is we can simply go here. Okay, in the predecessor tab, select this one, backfilling, and we'll just go with finish to start and press OK from here, and you will notice a change over here. We have just this one. Okay, and that you can check the date as well. Okay, so this is how we can just add the milestone in the project as well, and hope you really understand the relationship right now and the milestone as well, and I'll see you in the next